Hi guys, Galina from Galina in Businessland here, and today is my day 3 of 100 days video challenge. Today I was gonna talk to you about personal revolution. 3 questions we have to ask for personal revolution. Before I was talking to you about the day when everything changed and the enemies of our success. This is the same train, part 3, alright? So we have to ask ourselves 3 questions. Why? We have to figure out our why. Why we want to do what we want to do. It's not because of money. We don't want just money. People want things money could provide. We want freedom money could provide. We want lifestyle money could provide. So for example, my why is I want to retire my parents and bring them to United States from Belarus, and I want my family be together, and when I will have kids I want them grow up with their grandparents and us. So I want just our family be together. This is my why. That's why we came here in the United States. Second question is why not? That's what we have to ask ourselves all the time. I'm asking myself, trying to ask myself all the time, why not? What we have to lose? Anyways, we will wake up tomorrow morning. Let's go for it. Let's do it. So I feel like even if we have a lot to lose in the future, we will be really successful and we will have a lot to lose. If we will act like we have nothing to lose, we will win a lot. This is question number 2. Why not? And question number 3 is why not you? Why not you? We all know those successful people who were losers, who didn't have anything, who were in a great debt, and they became great winners. They didn't have rich parents. They wasn't born rich. They were broke. They didn't have anything, but they were not broke mentally. So why not you? Why you are worse than them? You're not. You're the same, if not better. All of us, we are so unique. So we have something better than somebody else, right? All it takes is persistence, strong reasons why, and just why not us? Why not me? Why not you? Let's go for it. Let's do it. Let's become the next generation of really successful people. Okay, so let's do it, and I'm looking forward to see you on the stage, on the moon, in the bank, whatever. Let's do it. So it was very, very nice to talk to you. And I hope you got some value. I will really appreciate any feedback or comments below. And I'm inviting you to my website, Galina in Businessland, and my fan page, Galina in Businessland. And I'm looking forward to build a great friendship with you guys. Have a great day or night. Bye bye, guys.